coin.
Hmm?
I have 5 coins.
What 5 coin?
Mama, I have 5 coins.
Where?
This is a 5 coin.
Is that a coin?
Yeah, sure.
It's not a coin.
It's a
Baat.
1.
One.
2. 3. 4.
Yeah, is that 5?
No.
It's only
1, 2, 3, 4.
no,
5.
4 only.
I have 4 coins, Mama. Mama, look, I have 5 coins.
Yeah, it's not the same.
Mama, look, I have 5 coins.
It's not the same.
Mama, look. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mama, look, I have 10 coins.
Is that a coin?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Mama, look, I have 6 coins.
Oh, you ask Papa what a coin is.
Why?